Hi friends. In this video, we will see about receiving the free FTTH VoIP calls in mobile phone without using a landline phone. We've seen the same video content in different modems like VoIP, Genesis and DBC. We've seen about setting up static route and all in those videos. This video is also similar to DBC. The only difference is that we are not adding a static route here. This won't work for all. Only users under MSIP can use this. Even I tried it as a trial procedure. But it worked. Let's get into the video. Connect the ONT device to the laptop through Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Open a browser and enter the IP and log in into the configuration page. Your modem will be configured already. We'll do a few changes in it. To know about the normal configuration, see the video given in the card above. First, go to Internet and select the Internet one. Make sure that no port is binded to it. If it is ticked, remove the tick and then apply. Now, select the voice one. You have to do a change here. The service mode will be set to voice by default. You have to change it to voice internet. Here also, don't tick any of the ports. If you do so, the ports will be able to work with the one which you bind only. So, binding will make you lose either internet or voice. Now, click apply. Now, come back to status, one connection info. You can see that the voice one status is up. The internet one is down because I haven't set it up. I set the modem for voice only as to show a demo of making SIP setup. Normally, for the SIP apps to work, we'll go to Internet, Router, Static Route and add a static route. If you see our old SIP videos, you can see that we're not doing it here. MSIP works without a static route. The changes is modem is done. Now, let's do the mobile setup. Installs VoIP and open it. Agree the terms and conditions now. It will request you to buy a premium pack. You can buy, or just skip it. Give yes in the next window now. Enter your account username and password here. You can get it from the operator or from local exchange. For IM server SIP users, that is, VLAN 1849 users, +91 followed by area code followed by landline number is the username which you have to enter. Be assured, there is a plus sign before the first letter and the password. You've to get it from the operator. Click create an account. In the next window, it asks host name. Enter the SIP server here. For VLAN 1849, IM servers are used. And my state is Tamil Nadu, so, for me, it is tn.ftth.ims.bsnl.in. Add a 5060 to the end, so that the SIP server becomes tn.ftth.ims.bsnl.in:5060. Click next. You can skip this window. Now, 4 SIP tests will run. SIP UDP will succeed. Click finish. This VoIP setup is done. Now, give the necessary app permissions. You can start making the call. There are initially instances where something happened, like I dialed 1504 and it didn't reach. The next time I dialed a number, the automated voice replied to add a 0, and for the third time, I dialed adding a 0 at the front, and the call established. Voice reception and microphone worked well. Try this procedure. If it works, mention in the comment below. If it didn't work, feel free to contact us through our social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and also subscribe.